Hello! In this episode, I'd like to introduce you to a new product from LifestyleCamper. Meet the Tiny House, designed for family getaway. Today we'll go over the technical details. My name is Yulia and you're watching the LifestyleCamper channel. The house is built from LSTC frame, light steel thin-walled construction. It's shaded with OSB boards, 8 mm thick. The roof is also covered with OSB boards, 10 mm thick. Inside, the insulation is polyurethane foam, 19 mm thick, a material that does not freeze in cold weather. Protective and decorative coating. The first layer is resin, the second is Line-X coating. Window frames are from VDS, with double-glazed, two-chamber units featuring additional thermal insulation. The entrance door includes a single-chamber glass unit. All exterior boxes are made either from lightweight French plywood or from extruded polystyrene, XPS. Interior, PVC panels with bamboo chips laminated with a decorative protective film. This surface resists moisture and mold and is suitable for all weather conditions. On the roof, there are 4 solar panels. Outside, there is a storage compartment that houses all utilities which must remain outside the living space. 3-phase power input, meter, electrical distribution board, gas cylinder, dual fuel generator, gas and petrol, and an EcoFlow power system. The external block of a heat pump, an inverter air conditioner with heating function, can provide heating in winter and cooling in summer. For smooth heating and temperature maintenance, an interim infrared heater is installed under the vinyl flooring inside the house. Additionally, 2 Blauberg recuperators with preheating are installed diagonally outside. There is also a Starlink internet system from Adaptis, integrated into the house unified energy system. At the entrance, a podium measuring 3x 1.8 meters is installed. The podium serves as the entry zone. There you can place a table, chairs, etc. It is also built from LSTC frame, externally covered with special terrace boards, with steps and a ramp for people with limited mobility. An awning can be installed above the ramp. The exterior will also include a video surveillance system, recording everything around the house. The cameras can be accessed via the owner's smartphone app. The house can be lifted with 4 Knott jacks. The house weighs 2,800 kilograms without the furniture. Outside, there is also a blower exhaust fan with a humidity sensor that automatically switches on to remove moisture from the shower room inside the house. Connections include water supply inlet, 3-phase electricity, and external sewage outlet. 2 moisture-resistant 220-volt sockets are placed on the terrace. Bathroom setup: 70 x 80 cm shower with hot and cold water, toilet with built-in system, hygienic shower, mechanical water filtration system, and a water meter. Also included washing machine, sink, anti-fog and electrically heated mirror, electric towel dryer, pleated blinds, adjustable in different combinations, and ventilation grills for moisture removal. There is also an emergency drain for emptying water when needed. Next is the kitchen area. Sink, Electrolux dishwasher, cabinets, optional exhaust hood, and oven combined with a microwave is also included. A gas-electric hob is provided. On the opposite side, wardrobe, Electrolux refrigerator, 187 liters. Dining table with 4 chairs, and Samsung TV, 43 dooms. On top of this, the entire house is designed to be inclusive and convenient for people with limited mobility. Ramps are available for order. So, we offer Scandinavian quality, but keep the price lower. More details on lifestylecamper.ua.